I ordered these diamond painting Zoo Buddy sticker Valentine's Day cards for my kiddos for school, and these are so cute. They come with everything you need to diamond paint on these little stickers, and they even come with little bags to package them in, so we're gonna package one together. This is the lion, and I'm gonna throw a little heart in with each shape. It comes with 13 different shapes that you can see here. Then it has a matching card for each shape. So here's the lion card. It says, "I'm not lion, you're the coolest." And then on the back, it has the instructions for each kiddo. So in the bag, I'm gonna put both these little stickers and the card. Then it comes with a dish to put your little diamonds in and the coordinating diamonds. Then it comes with your little diamond applicator, and it comes with 24 of these as well. With the applicator, you're gonna need one of these little gel pads. So you just throw that in there as well. And then it comes with 24 ribbons, and that's what it looks like all wrapped up. These are so cute. My kids love them. This is the completed dog sticker. So cute. And everything's just separated out in here for you, ready to put together. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.